Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming you have the right access. Make sure your admin or editor so settings are editable. Once confirmed, open the app and focus on the top navigation bar area. You'll be looking for icons, labels, and a toggle for the new bar. Go straight to Settings Appearance and enable the new navigation if it isn't visible. Once done, familiarize yourself with the icon meanings and hover states so you can move through the next steps confidently. You now customize the layout, drag and drop items to set priority, and create groups to reduce visual clutter because organization speeds daily work. Once you've arranged primary items, add shortcuts by clicking the plus button, choosing the app or page, and assigning a keyboard shortcut when available to cut navigation time. Make sure to adjust visibility per role so teammates see only relevant items. This prevents confusion and streamlines permissions. When done, you finish by saving the layout and performing a quick walkthrough from the perspective of 3 user roles to confirm access and visibility. Once saved, verify performance. Clear your browser cache or reload the app if icons or labels fail to appear, and make sure the feature flag for the new nav is active. If problems persist, capture console logs and screenshots, then open a support ticket. Provide exact steps to reproduce so engineers can resolve the issue fast.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.